Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the callout on your WPS Office writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert the callout shape on your WPS Office writer. You just click on the insert option here and go to the shape option. You can see a lot of presets are here. At last you can see the callouts. So you just click the callouts that you want. Now you just click where you want to place the callout. Just click and just drag in left side or down side. You can make the resize of the callout according to your wish. So then click on the insert option. Then I just working with some of the famous callout like a cloudy or some of the famous callouts like this. These are the famous callouts actually everyone use. You can just move it. You can also resize it, and there is other options. When you click it, you can see a plus symbol. You can have a text wrapping, and also about the color changing of, you can make it as yellow or a blue or green that you want. There's also a 3D shapes also, gradient color also available, and you can also make a solid color or gradient color, and you can also choose the border color as black or white that you want. And also you may have a drop menu to have more effects like a 3D. So you can choose the variety of styles from here, and also there is a effect like a glow effect or like a 3D effect, 3D rotation also available up the point of perspective. So you can also choose it from like the, whenever you just click the object, you have a options called drawing to here. Just click here, then you can see a shape effect on the top. You just click it, you can have a shadows for that particular shape, and you can also adjust the shadows, glow, soft edge, and there's lot other more options are too. So I think you have a clear idea about how to insert the callouts on your WPS Office writer. And if you need more help, just comment below. And if it is really good video, you just like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about the WPS Office writer, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.